Hello friends. Welcome back to Apple English. Today, let's meet more interesting animals. I am a dinosaur. I lived a long, long time ago. I am big and strong. I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle. I am a zebra. I have black and white stripes. I am a giraffe. I have a long neck. I am a tiger. I have orange fur with black stripes. I am a leopard. I run super fast. I am a wolf. I live and hunt in a pack. I am an elephant. I have big ears and a long trunk. I am an eagle. I fly high in the sky. I am a crow. I'm very smart and noisy. I am an owl. I have big eyes. I can see very well at night. I am a goose. I honk loudly. I am a panda. I eat bamboo all day. I am a bear. I love honey and naps. I am a snake. I slither on the ground. I am a capybara. I'm the biggest rodent. I am a crocodile. I have big sharp teeth. I am a hippo. I like swimming in rivers. I am a monkey. I love swinging in trees. I am a squirrel. I like to climb trees. I am a frog. I can jump very high. I am a bird. I can sing songs. I am a hedgehog. I have spiky quills. I am a mouse. I like to nibble cheese. I am a bee. I can fly and make honey. I am a cricket. I make a chirping sound. I am an ant. I live in a colony. I am a grasshopper. I can jump very high. I am a ladybug. I am red with black spots. I am a praying mantis. I have long front legs. I move slowly and wait for my food. Awesome! Now, let's review. Look at the pictures and try to say the names of the animals again. Repeat after me. Dinosaur. Lion. Zebra. Giraffe. Tiger. Leopard. Wolf. Elephant. Eagle. Crow. Owl. Goose. Panda. Bear. Snake. Capybara. Crocodile. Hippo. Monkey. Squirrel. Frog. Bird. Hedgehog. Mouse. Bee. Cricket. Ant. Grasshopper. Ladybug. Praying mantis. Well done! Don't forget to watch again and practice every day. See you next time.